So we got a Jennings 9 that we put some inlay on, but we had 2 slides, and I want to make sure that both of them work. So we'll go with slide number 1. We're going to switch the slide out real quick. So on these Jennings, what you have to do is lock it, and then there's this little button here. We're going to push it as you're pulling up and just gently let it go like that. We're going to try this one. Hold the spring in with your finger like that, point it down in there, and just let go. And then push your barrel through. Make sure you push that button down as you go back. Release. We should be good. We'll try this with slide number 2. This one has a little darker inlay on it. Sure we're off safety. Held open. I think we're good. No, we're not. Look at that. Good thing we tested it, right?